So how do you go about picking which online tutorials to follow? This is a tough question because when you're just learning, you don't really know what you don't know. So you don't know what you need to learn. And you kind of just assume that most online tutorials are good because they're online tutorials. And I can say this because I also learned to code online. And when I learned to code, I followed a bunch of tutorials that I thought were good at the time, but looking back now, I realized they really weren't that great. So obviously the best Swift tutorials are on this YouTube channel, so hit that subscribe button. But generally speaking, if you're gonna take a tutorial, try to figure out how much of the tutorial is gonna be focused on the UI layer versus the rest of the app. Because when you're just learning, you think that building the UI is the hardest part, it's the meat of the app, but really it's the easiest part. If you look at a big company, the junior developers are generally focused on building the buttons. The experienced developers are focused on the architecture and the data management and the data persistence and things like that.